Hello everyone, I am Nitisha from the 9 Pointer and today we are going to make some of the 3D basic figures in AutoCAD 3D. So for that we will have to change our workspace from AutoCAD 2D to AutoCAD 3D. For doing that we are having this option in the status bar, that is the workspace switching. So let's go there and change our workspace to 3D modeling here. Let's give it a second to load. Okay, so our AutoCAD 3D workspace is almost similar to AutoCAD 2D. That is, we are having this application menu at the top left corner. Then we are having this quick access toolbar. Then we are having this ribbon where we are having different tools, which we'll go through as along the different videos. Now this is our workspace area. This is our view cube. Uh, from here we can change our view. Then this is our navigation bar. This is our command line and this is our status bar. So let's go and start drawing some of the basic figures. AutoCAD 3D has already given us some of the built-in figures, that is our box, cylinder, cone, sphere and many more. So let's see how to draw them. First we will go and select this box command. Now we will come to the workspace and click anywhere. We will drag and let's enter the dimension of 100 and let's tab and dimension of 100 again and press enter. Now it is asking for third dimension, that is the height. So let's make a cube. So our height also will be the same dimension, that is 100. So let's enter 100 and press enter. So we have made a cube. For viewing this, let's change our top view to let's select this corner view. Here we see that our cursor is also changed. That was our 2D cursor and this is our 3D cursor. So for viewing it perfectly, let's go to this drop down and select our free orbit. Now we can rotate it like this. Eh, So for visuals, we can change our visual view. We will go to this view option. We will go to this drop down and we will change our 2D frame to shaded. Okay, so this is our two shaded visual view. Let's again take our free orbit and move our cube. Okay, so let's press escape to exit this command. Now let's make some of the different figures. Also, if you want to change the color, let's just double click on this cube. We will go to this color option and we can change the color from here. So let's go and take red here. Now press escape. Now for different figures, let's go to this drop down and see what else we are having. Let's go and make a sphere here first. Now we will click anywhere and we will drag. Now let's enter the dimension. For dimension, that is the radius. Let's enter the radius of 70. Press enter. This is our cube. Uh, let's change the color of our sphere. This is our sphere, sorry. For color, let's go and change color to the cyan. Now here we can also move our diagrams. For moving, let's just click. So here we see we are getting this three-sided gizmo. This is called a move gizmo. We are having different types of gizmo in the selection tab, that is move gizmo, rotate gizmo, scale gizmo and no gizmo also. So for moving it in any direction, if you want to move in this direction, let's click on this arrow and we can move it like this. Again, we can move in this direction also. So let's click here and press escape. So this is easy. Now let's make other figures what we are having. Let's go and make cylinder. For cylinder, let's click here. Let's drag. Let's enter the diameter of 60 and height of 100. Okay, this is our cylinder. We can change color same by just double click Go to this drop down and select, let's take a magenta. Okay. Same for cone also, we can make a cone here. If you want to make it here again, let's enter the radius of 60 here and let's take a height of 100. For different figures, let's go and make this torus. Let's click anywhere. We will just drag and let's enter the diameter of, let's the radius of 80. And if we move like this, we will just zoom in and zoom out. Let's choose any, whatever looks good. Again, we can change the color by just double click. Go to this drop down and select a color. And if we want to change the color, that is, if we don't want these colors, let's go to the layer and we will go to the select color option. Now we can change, we can choose any color here. Let's choose this color and okay. Again, if you want to change the color, just double click, go to this drop down and change the color. It's really easy changing colors. So let's make one more figure here. Let's go to this drop down and let's make a pyramid here. We will click, we can drag, we can even rotate this pyramid. So let's take it as 60 and height of 100. Let's change the color again and choose any color. Okay, so this was really easy. You learned how to make different figures, how to change our views. For changing views, we can also go to this top view. If we want our this view, we can just select here. Now we can also change the west and east part. That is, if we go to this top view, we can see we got the north on the top, we got east. We can change it to this right or we can change it to this left. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the coming playlist, we will learn of different how to use these different commands in this AutoCAD 3D. So if you are having any doubt here, you can message us on our mail ID or you can just comment down below. So okay, thank you everyone for watching this video and stay tuned.